The excitement builds as we await the first sight of the parade procession. Who will it be? What will they be doing? If you ever wanted to see some buff Hawaiians all oiled up, this is the parade to be at. And we've been waiting for a few minutes, so I see the first pa'u. There's a pa'u rider, the people that you see coming by horseback. We have pa'u. Pa'u are units of horseback riders, and they represent each island. They will represent the king. They represent different things. Oh, it's glorious. Now, horseback riding was a big thing back in the day, and the women were said to be better equestrians than even the men. And just down at the end of the road here is Ka'iulani Park that used to be a horse track, a horse race track. And again, for those of you who don't already know, that's the Sheraton Surf Rider Hotel right across the street there. It's the oldest hotel in Waikīkī. King Kamehameha unified the islands in 1810. The very first statue of King Kamehameha went down with the boat it was coming over on from Italy. It was retrieved. It now stands proudly in one of two places where they believe Kamehameha was born, and that would be, its original one is at Upolu in the Kohala district on the island of Hawaii, and a second one was remained, and that's the one that's here. That was probably already decorated yesterday. This is the Kamehameha theme song. You can't see what I'm singing. No Kamehameha. Now what other commentator's gonna sing live for you? That's the, pretty sure that's the alma mater. Oh, here we go. Here they are. Here we go.
Okay.
This is pay all the money to come and see. Alrighty, everybody. Right here. In Japanese, we say Ichiban. In Italiano, we say numero uno or primo. Are we zoomed in enough? This is your Royal Kamehameha float. You think those spears are a joke? Those are heavy, heavy spears made of koa wood. It was a great skill. Hi, Jean. I hope you're having a good day in Massachusetts. I'm here on the island of Oahu on another island hopping trip to see this magnificent parade. Isn't it lovely?
Can we hop a ride with them down to the park?
And this looks like the Royal Order of Kamehameha coming in behind the Royal Kamehameha float.
Who's first?
Oh, Even we have royal orders.
Does it say Royal Order?
Let's see here. And I hope you're enjoying the parade. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me. This is magnificent.
Is that the princess? No. It must be Kamehameha maybe. They're all in black, that's why. I mean, she is, whoever she is.
Now, some of the societies or civic clubs are named after some of the kings and queens or chiefs and chiefesses of the old days. Hi, Granny Frammy. I'll bet you're happy there's a time difference now. I'm an honored guest. I mean, I'm honored. I'm more than thrilled to be here. And these look like the ladies of Ka'ahumanu. Ka'ahumanu was one of 20 wives of King Kamehameha and the mother of King Kamehameha the second.
No, she was not.
No, Keopuolani was.
No.
Yeah, I
She
take
bore
that
no
back.
children.
Ka'ahumanu, that's right.
She
Ka'ahumanu
was a
had,
queen of regent.
yes, she became a regent queen. Because Kamehameha's son, Liholiho Kamehameha II, was too young to rule when Kamehameha the first passed away, so.
And this third one.
Keauli.
Yeah, he was young.
He was young. Yeah, he was married to Nahi Ena. That's a sad story there too, Nahi Ena. Oops, pardon me.
Who gets to be on the trolley?
And it's just a beautiful day. We have the ocean right behind the hotel here as we're waiting for this. It's a lovely view. Turquoise and sapphire blue waters.
Well, I'd say that's more Kamehameha, just because they always wear black.
Yeah, definitely must be them.